Ready to dive into the fast-paced world of Solana DeFi and learn how to swap tokens like a pro? First, you'll need a Solana wallet like Phantom or Solflare. Make sure it's installed and funded with some SOL. For transaction fees, head over to Raydium and click Connect Wallet in the top right corner. Select your wallet and approve the connection. Now that your wallet is connected, navigate to the swap section. Here, you'll see two drop-down menus, one for the token you want to sell and one for the token you want to buy. Click on the first drop-down and choose the token you want to swap from, like Sol. Then, click on the second drop-down and select the token you want to swap to, such as USDC. Enter the amount of SOL you want to swap. In the input field, Raydium will automatically calculate the estimated amount of USDC you'll receive. Pay close attention to the exchange rate and slippage tolerance displayed below. Slippage is the difference between the expected price and the actual price you receive, and a small slippage is normal. Once you're happy with the details, click the swap button. Your wallet will pop up, prompting you to review and approve the transaction. Double-check everything carefully, especially the fees. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, and that's it. You've successfully swapped tokens on Raydium. You can now find your newly swapped tokens in your Solana wallet. Happy trading!